Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to rejoin WhatsApp group chat after you have left. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever we upload a new video. Now don't forget to watch all throughout so you don't miss a single detail. Now what we're gonna do is say that we are in WhatsApp right here and we are in this group and you leave that group. So let's go ahead and leave this group right here. And now we are out of this group. So how can we rejoin this group once again? Well, there is no actual way for you to be able to go back to this group. But the one thing that you can do is you can go ahead and click on the top right here and then take a look at group info. Now there will be a lot of participants right here, but the one that you want to take a look at is the one that has the group admin tag on it. Now what you can do is you can go ahead and hold this, and then you can go ahead and message that person themselves. And then you can go ahead and ask them or send them a message saying, say for example, I was added to the group and I accidentally left. Can you add me back in? And all you can do now is to wait for the admin to go ahead and add you back in. So let's go ahead and do that. And if that person was able to go ahead and add you, like so, then you will have access to that chat group once again. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.